Hey guys, my name is Marlo with Vegas Mini Mansion. Welcome to my channel. This morning I have to get rid of leaves in my backyard, and I have a bunch of rocks to where leaves get caught up in between these Mexican pebble rock and river rock in my backyard. I'm going to show you a little trick with duct tape and the nozzle to your wet and dry vacuum. And of course, I know a lot of these vacuums come with different nozzles, but those nozzles, the mouth is too small to pick up the leaves. The leaves get caught up into them. And I'm going to show you with this duct tape on the trick on how to get rid of these leaves in between the rocks. So I'm going to show you a demonstration in my backyard. So let's go. So guys, I have my duct tape here, and what I did was I halfway put down the duct tape, and I'm just going to fold it down like this, as you see. And then what I'm going to do is take another duct tape, I'm going to wrap it around so that when this is vacuuming, this doesn't get sucked into the nozzle, right? So I'm going to wrap it around with one more time with duct tape. So guys, this is what it looks like. So I wrapped another tape around, so when I'm vacuuming, this rock doesn't get, I don't suck up the rocks, right, in the nozzle. So this is what this is doing, is preventing. So let's go show you my backyard and go vacuum. All right, guys, we're gonna go over here, walk over to the vacuum. Let me show you the mess. All these leaves are very difficult to do. Of course, you don't want to do it by hand. You want to know the easiest way. So I like rigid. These vacuums are strong and powerful. This dustpan is oversized. It's huge. If you're looking for something like this, I'll put it in the description. I highly recommend these, but wet vacuums are at Home Depot or Lowe's. Put my nozzle on. All right. Alright guys, finished product, said and done. But yeah, if you want to get deeper down into the rocks, you just remove the rocks with the vacuum that when it gets caught in the nozzle and you get underneath the rocks. But here you go, and everything collects inside, and then you can dump everything into the trash can. Alright guys, here's the recap. So guys, thanks for stopping by my channel, Vegas Mini Mansion. My name is Marlo. My goal is to help you with your home. So I'm all about doing chores around the house and finding wow factor for you guys to make your home living easier. So stop by again. Please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.